I'm finna show y'all how to import vehicles into y'all FiveM server y'all created. So before I start, I'm gonna go over with y'all the different types of how the FiveM ready cars will look. So if you see a car, if you download a car and it look like this is FiveM ready. It has a data folder, stream folder, FX manifest, all it's the same as it would be if it was like this. You see it's two different looks. It's just this not in the data folder. Underscore resource.lua and FX manifest is literally the same exact thing. So whenever you see that, don't get confused because they the same shit. So I'm finna show y'all the sites that y'all can download cars from. Y'all can download cars from wherever y'all want to. I'm just gonna show y'all the process on how to put them in y'all FiveM server. Before I do that, this is single player. If y'all see a vehicle like this, DLC.rpf, I will make a separate video on how to make these DLC.rpf vehicles FiveM ready. So I will have a separate video for that. So check my channel if you want to see that video on how to do that. But let's get started. There's two different main sites that I use to download FiveM cars. Both of these sites gonna be down in the description below. So y'all can search for y'all cars the same way I am. So we're gonna start with this first site. So we're gonna click vehicles and make sure you search this up the same exact way I'm doing. FiveM, capital F, capital M, enter. Now when you search FiveM, you gonna find the car that you want. It's different rows, hella rows. You just find whatever car that you want. So we just gonna go ahead and go with this car for right now. This 2018 Raptor. I'm gonna download it. Once the car is downloaded, we're gonna open it. And there are two different files inside of this car. You know, some cars that you download may only have something like this where it just open up. That's cool. But this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be going with the FiveM ready version. So what we're gonna do, this how you input. This process is so easy. You're gonna open up wherever folder. If you follow my steps in my first video on how to create a FiveM server, wherever you created your server at, that's what you're gonna go to. Open your server up, go to server files, resources. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make a stream folder just like this, the exact way this one made. I already made one. Inside that stream folder, you're gonna make a new folder and name that cars or vehicles, whatever you want to name it. I'll just do that to be organized. You're gonna open that up, and then boom, this is what you're gonna do. You're just gonna drop that in there, and guess what? That car is in your server now. It's that easy to download cars that are already FiveM ready. It's that easy. Like let's try to download another one that's already FiveM ready. Like this. Nah, we're gonna do let's do this Benz. Gonna download it. But this process is very easy, man. Y'all follow every step. Y'all see how easy this shit is. Alright, we got the second car downloaded. We're gonna open this up. And we're gonna go to FiveM. Okay. And as y'all can see, this file look different from this file. It's literally the same exact thing. It's just no data folder and different resource.luas. So we're gonna go out. So inside the stream folder, we're gonna go to cars again. Then we're gonna drag our car in there. And boom. Now we have two cars that we just put in there that easy within about 30 seconds. That shit took like 30 seconds. It's that easy. So both of these cars are in the server now. So with this site right here, now this is the site. Then I'm show y'all how to use this site. You're gonna go to vehicles. Then you're gonna go to cars. And then you find whatever category of cars that you want. I'm just go to Dodge. Then just find whatever car you want. It's a lot of good ass cars in this motherfucker. Find whatever car you want, and then you download. And since this is a free trial, everything free on this site, it's gonna take a couple seconds to download. So you just wait for them seconds to get over. Alright, once that timer is done, you'll see a download, and you're gonna download. Once that vehicle is downloaded, we're gonna open it up. And as you can see, this one is a DLC.rpf. So I have a separate video on how to install DLC.rpfs. But that site that I just showed y'all is the best site to get y'all cars from, because the cars look clean as hell. That GTA 5 mod site, the cars are FiveM ready, but they not sticky how the ones is on the Liberty site. So I'm gonna show y'all a separate video on how to install the DLC.rpf. This video is just basically on how to install FiveM ready cars itself into your FiveM server. It's literally this easy. Like whenever you make the stream folder and everything, the stream folder, you can go to your server.cfg. You're gonna open that up. You're gonna go down and you're gonna ensure stream at the top of all your resources. How I got it right here, you see all my resources at the bottom and this one is at the top. That's how you're gonna do it. It's that easy. Now if y'all see how I got this, how my coding look like this, y'all's might open as a notepad. Yeah, y'all might open as a notepad. If you open as a notepad, same thing. You can do this as well. Ensure stream just like that. It's gonna be the same way. But yeah, now we finna load into the FiveM server and we finna seal these cars in. Alright, we loading into the server right now. Alright, boom. Now that we inside of our server, now we finna spawn these cars in. So what you gonna do to spawn these cars in, you're gonna go to the folder you created where the car's at, and we're gonna go open this up and we're gonna go to stream. This is the spawn code of the vehicle. So whichever one that has the YTD and YFT, that's the spawn code of your car. So we're gonna copy that name right there, Control C, and then we're gonna do /TX. You can go down to vehicle and then you just go through with your left arrow keys, spawn, paste that car, and boom, that car we downloaded is in the server right now. Now it's another way you can spawn this car too. You can do T/car space Control V, and you can spawn the car as well. Nah, we finna spawn the second car that we did. Same process. You don't have to copy the name. You can type it manually, but I like to copy it just to make things faster. So all this grill bump too, you ain't gotta worry about all that. That's not the spawn name. So the spawn name is this right here of your cars. The simplest name, that's the spawn name. We'll copy that. Same process. Spawn that car.
My new website covers all three of my careers.
Got a BMW. And it's that simple. That's how you can install cars into y'all FiveM server. I hope this video helped y'all out. If this video helped you out, leave a subscribe for me, man. I got more content coming on how to do things for FiveM in about a couple weeks or so. Y'all, I'm gonna teach y'all how to actually start a FiveM server up to the point where people can join and all that. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video.